Dude, let's get real. Everyone's like, build multiple income streams. But no one tells you how it actually feels at 40 plus. Spoiler, it's messy. I'm talking crying into your laptop. At 2 and messy. But guess what? I cracked the code. 7 streams. No sugarcoating. Let's go. YouTube. The grind no one warns you about. My uncle started this channel at 60. 50. Thought he'd film a few videos. Retire by 61. LOL. Reality? Learning to edit felt like teaching a cat algebra. Took 18 months to get monetized. Now, it pays. But here's the kicker. You trade time for freedom. Every video, 10 plus hours of scripting, filming, begging the Wi-Fi gods for mercy. Worth it? Yeah. Easy? No. Coaching. Turns out people hate being sold. Started mentoring at 50. Thought, I'll just share my money tricks. No. First client? Ghosted me after 3 calls. Lesson. Coaching isn't about you. It's about them. Now I ask one question. What's keeping you up at night? Let them vent. Then boom. They're begging for help. But here's the truth. You're basically a therapist who gets paid in Zoom fatigue. Real estate. The passive income, lie, buy rentals, collect checks, they said. Reality? Tenants text you at 3 a.m. about a clogged toilet. I sold most of mine, kept 2. Why? Cash flow is not equal to sanity. Pro tip, always have a oh crap fund. That leaky roof? It's not if, it's when. The 9 to 5, my dirty little secret, yep, I still work a job. Health insurance, folks, but juggling a job plus side hustles? You'll miss birthdays, Netflix, sleep. Secret sauce? Work the job for stability. Work the hustles for freedom. But fair warning, your social life becomes, hey, want to watch me edit a thumbnail? Voiceovers, where nice voice meets hustle. Started narrating audiobooks at 49. Thought, I got a radio voice. Turns out, 90% of voiceovers is auditioning for gigs that ghost you. You'll record 100 takes of try our new yogurt and get paid in we went another direction. But when it hits, cha-ching. Number 6, eBay. From garage junk to gold mine, sold my kids old shoes to pay for her college. Made $50,000 profit. How? Find a niche and obsess. Mean it? Vintage kicks. But here's the ugly. Shipping 100 packages feels like wrestling gremlins. Worth it? Yes. Glamorous? Ask my carpal tunnel. Digital products. The passive myth wrote an ebook about buying used cars. Took 3 months. Now, it sells while I sleep. But passive is a lie. You sweat blood up front. Marketing? SEO? It's like yelling into a tornado. But once it clicks, it's magic. Look, building streams after 40 ain't pretty. It's late nights, doubt, and Googling, can I retire yet? But here's the truth. You don't need to be 20, a genius, or lucky. You just need to start. One stream, then another. So hit subscribe. Not for me, for you. Every week, I drop real talk on money, hustles, and surviving adulthood. You're not late. You're right on time. Let's get rich, slowly, painfully, together.